Welcome to another insightful video on preventive maintenance programs, your one-stop solution to understanding, evaluating, and improving these critical systems in your plant. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to demystify preventive maintenance programs, discuss how to evaluate their effectiveness, and share strategies for optimization. If you've ever wondered what preventive maintenance should cover, how much it should cost, or who should be in charge of it, stay tuned for some enlightening discussion. Now let's talk about preventive maintenance programs. There's a lot of confusion about what they are, what they can achieve, how much they should cost, and who should be executing them. So we're going to dive into how you can evaluate your plant's preventive maintenance program and how to make it better. Keep in mind, this requires experience and understanding of best practices, what other plants are doing, and the effects of their programs. Most plants already have some type of preventive maintenance program, but the real question is, how well is it set up and executed? Is the scope of preventive maintenance clear? IDCON, a leader in this field, has defined best practices in preventive maintenance using 95 crucial statements as part of their current best practices reliability and maintenance assessment model. While there are 9 other areas of their reliability and maintenance assessment, we'll be focusing on just the preventive maintenance area for this video. But let's be clear, there's no one-size-fits-all solution for improving preventive maintenance. It's a combination of many efforts around documentation, execution, and follow-up that will eventually yield results. So, how do you gauge how well your plant practices measure up? Firstly, the term preventive maintenance program is not clear in many organizations. Most people in a plant have a general idea of what it is, but it is typically different for different people. Some think about vibration analysis, some think about lubrication, others about operator routes or fixed time overhauls. To test your understanding, ask people in maintenance and operations to define what is included in preventive maintenance. The best practice here is to have a definition of preventive maintenance program that is documented, understood, and well communicated across your plant. But what should be defined and included in a preventive maintenance program scope? Things like detailed cleaning of equipment, balancing of impellers, alignments of shafts, operator inspections, operating practices, and instrumentation loop checks should all be part of the program. The next test is to ask your plant manager, maintenance manager, and operations manager for the preventive maintenance improvement plan. If there is one, is it specific with timelines? For example, lubrication storage improvement complete by December 2024, or mechanical inspections and shutdown preventive maintenance reviewed by March 2025. Ask the same group to present key performance indicators for preventive maintenance and what actions are taken if the KPIs aren't satisfactory. Next, do you have an alignment standard in the preventive maintenance program, and is it followed? Ask for an alignment standard and check the quality of the standard. Go look at equipment for signs of good or poor alignment. In a world-class reliability and maintenance organization, all alignments are done to 0.002 inches for equipment running below 3,600 RPM and 0.001 inches for equipment running above 3,600 RPM. The preventive maintenance program should also include a lubrication standard that covers storage, handling, filtering, and cleanliness of lubricants. There should be a well-documented lubrication standard that is followed. Finally, are inspections in the preventive maintenance program well documented and executed? Go through the current inspection lists, check the level of detail, and make sure the route is correctly executed. To summarize, here are the key points to remember. 1. Clearly define what the preventive maintenance program is for your plant. 2. Ensure that plant leadership understand and promote best practices in preventive maintenance. 3. Take a tour of your plant and look for evidence of both good and bad practices in your program. A well-functioning preventive maintenance program is critical to improve reliability in a plant, but it is easy to overlook equipment fundamentals in the day-to-day environment of a plant. This information comes from the president and CEO of IDCON Inc., a reliability and maintenance management consulting firm. He has provided reliability and maintenance improvement advice to plants and mines around the world. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of preventive maintenance programs, how to evaluate them, and strategies for optimization. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For additional resources or to learn more about our services, please visit upkeep.com. Your feedback is important to us, so don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Remember, a well-functioning preventive maintenance program is crucial for improving reliability in a plant. Stay tuned for more from UpKeep.